long literally, Fierce Dragon, is a lightweight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft developed jointly by the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) and the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC) of China. The JF-17 can be used for aerial reconnaissance, ground attack and aircraft interception. Its designation, JF-17, by Pakistan is short for Joint Fighter 17, while the designation and name, FC-1 Xiaolong, by China means Fighter China 1 Fierce Dragon. JF-17 Thunder, FC-1 Xiaolong at JF-17 of the Pakistan Air Force Arola Multi-Role Combat Aircraft National Origin China, Pakistan Manufacturer Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex First flight the 25th of August 2003 Introduction the 12th of March 2007 Status and service primary user Pakistan Air Force. Myanmar Air Force producing in China, June 2007 present. In Pakistan, January 2008 present number built 100 plus program cost is $500 million unit cost. Block 1, US dollar 25 million. Block 2, US dollar 28 million. Block 3, US dollar 32 million. Plan. The JF-17 was primarily developed to meet the Pakistan Air Force requirement for an affordable, modern, multi-role combat aircraft as a replacement for its large fleet of Dassault Mirage 3-5 fighters, Nanchang A-5 bombers, and Chengdu F-7 interceptors with a cost of $500 million divided equally between China and Pakistan. The aircraft was also intended to have export potential as a cost-effective and competitive alternative to more expensive Western fighters. The development of this aircraft was headed by Yang Wei, who is considered China's ace designer. Yang also designed the Chengdu J-20. By 1989, because of economic sanctions by the U.S., Pakistan had abandoned Project Sabre 2, a design study involving U.S. aircraft manufacturer Grumman and China, and had decided to redesign and upgrade the Chengdu F-7. In the same year, China and Grumman started a new design study to develop the Super 7, another redesigned Chengdu F-7. Grumman left the project when sanctions were placed on China following the political fallout from the 1989 Tiananmen Square protests. After Grumman left the Chengdu Super 7 project, the Fighter China project was launched in 1991. In 1995, Pakistan and China signed a Memorandum of Understanding for joint design and development of a new fighter, and over the next few years worked out the project details. In June 1995, the COIN had joined the project to provide design support. This also involved the secondment of several engineers by CAC. Launch of FC-1 project. A PAF JF-17 in Turkey in 2011. In October 1995, Pakistan was reportedly to select a Western company by the end of the year to provide a ND integrate the FC-1's avionics, which was expected to go into production by 1999. The avionics were said to include radar, inertial navigation system, head-up display, and multifunction displays. Competing bids came from Thomson CSF with a variant of the radar Doppler multi-target (RDY) SAGM with a similar avionics package to those used in the Rose upgrade project, and Marconi Electronic Systems with its Blue Hawk radar. FIAR's, now Celix Galileo, Grifo S-7 radar was expected to be selected due to the company's ties with the PAF. In February 1998, Pakistan and China signed a letter of intent covering airframe development. Russia's Klimov offered a variant of the Rode 33 turbofan engine to power the fighter. In April 1999, South Africa's Denel offered to arm the Super 7 with the J-10. The official said, this transfer of technology, transposing the aircraft systems from the J-10 to the JF-17, is what makes the JF-17 so cost-effective. The use of computer-aided design software shortened the design phase of the JF-17. Flight testing and redesigning. The first prototype, PT-01, was rolled out on the 31st of May 2003 and transferred to the Chengdu Flight Test Center to be prepared for its maiden flight. This was initially planned to take place in June, but was delayed due to concerns about the SARS outbreak. The designation Super 7 was replaced by JF-17, Joint Fighter 17, around this point. Low-speed taxiing trials began at Wenjiang Airport, Chengdu, on the 27th of June 2003. The maiden flight was made in late August 2003. An official maiden flight of the prototype took place in early September. The prototype was marked with the new PAF designation JF-17. By March 2004, CAC had made around 20 test flights of the first prototype. On the 7th of April 2004, PAF test pilots Rashid Habib and Mohammed Ahsan al-Haq flew PT-01 for the first time. The maiden flight of the third prototype, PT-03, took place on the 9th of April 2004. In March 2004, Pakistan was planning to induct around 200 aircraft. Following the third prototype, several design improvements were developed and incorporated into further aircraft. Because of excessive smoke emissions by the Road 93 engine, the air intakes were widened. Reported control problems found in testing resulted in alterations to the wing leading edge routine. Extensions, LERX. The vertical tail fin was enlarged to house an expanded electronic warfare equipment bay in the tip. The redesigned aircraft had a slightly increased maximum takeoff weight and incorporated an increased quantity of Chinese-sourced avionics. However, PAF had selected Western avionics for their aircraft, postponing PAF deliveries from late 2005 until 2007. Pakistan evaluated British, French, and Italian avionics suites, the winner of which was expected to be finalized in 2006. PT-04, the fourth prototype and the first to incorporate the design changes, was rolled out in April 2006 and made its first flight on the 28th of April 2006. The modified air intakes replaced conventional intake ramps, whose function is to divert turbulent boundary layer airflow away from the inlet and previous ended entering the engine, with a diverterless supersonic inlet DSI design. The DSI uses a combination of forward-swept inlet cowls and a three-dimensional compression surface to divert the boundary layer airflow at high subsonic and supersonic speeds. According to Lockheed Martin, the DSI design prevents most of the boundary layer air from entering the engine at speeds up to 2 times the speed of sound, reduces weight by removing the need for complex mechanical intake mechanisms, and is stealthier than a conventional intake. In 1999, developmental work on the DSI with the aim of improving aircraft performance commenced. The JF-17 design was finalized in 2001. Multiple models underwent wind tunnel tests. It was found that the DSI reduced weight, cost, and complexity while improving performance. For the avionics and weapons qualification phase of the flight testing, PT-04 was fitted with a fourth-generation avionics suite that incorporates sensor fusion, an electronic warfare suite, enhanced man-machine interface, digital electronic engine control DEC, for the Road 93 turbofan engine, FBWFL. Night controls, day, night precision surface attack capability, and multi-mode, pulse Doppler radar for VBR air-to-air attack capability. The sixth prototype, PT-06, made its maiden flight on the 10th of September 2006. Following a competition in 2008, Martin Baker was selected over a Chinese firm for the supply of 50 PK-16LE ejection seats. Production. Aeronautical Complex (PAC) announced the rollout of the 16th JF-17 Thunder fighter manufactured in the calendar year 2015, taking total number of manufactured aircraft to more than 66. Later, a PAF spokesperson said that in light of the interest shown by various countries, it has been decided that production capacity of JF-17 Thunder at PAC camera will be expanded. Russia signed an agreement in August 2007 for re-export of 150 ROD 93 engines from China to Pakistan for the JF-17. In 2008, the PAF reported it was not fully satisfied with the ROD 93 engine and that it would only power the first 50 aircraft. It was alleged that arrangements for a new engine, reportedly the Snecma M53P2, may have been made. Mikhail Pogosian, head of the MiG and Sukhoi design bureaus, recommended the Russian Defense Export Agency Rosoboronexport export block ROD 93 engine sales to China to prevent export competition from the JF-17 against the MiG-29. At the 2010 Farnborough Air Show, the JF-17 was displayed internationally for the first time. Aerial displays at the show were intended but were cancelled due to a late attendance decision as well as license and insurance costs. According to a Rosoboron export official at the Air Show China 2010, held on 16 to 21 November 2005 in Shanghai, China, Russia and China had signed a contract worth $238 million for 100 ROD 93 engines with options for another 400 engines developed for the FC-1. According to media reports, Pakistan planned to increase production of JF-17s by 25% in 2016. Further development: Pakistan negotiated with British and Italian defense firms regarding avionics and radars for the JF-17 development. Radar options include the Italian Galileo Avionica's Grip OS-7, the French Thomson CSF-SAR-C-400, a variant of the RDY-2, and the British company Celix Galileo's Vixen 500, the active electronically scanned array (ESO) radar. In 2010, the PAF had reportedly selected 8 aerospace group to integrate French-built avionics and weapons systems over rival bids from Astrac, Finmeccanica and Daily Saga joint venture. 50 JF-17s were to be upgraded and an optional 50 from 2013 onwards, at a cost of up to $1.36 billion. The RC-400 radar, Leica AAMs, and several air-to-surface weapons are believed to be in the contract. The PAF also held talks with South Africa for the supply of Manila Darter AAM. In April 2010, after 18 months of negotiations, the deal was reportedly suspended. Reports cited French concerns about Pakistan's financial situation, the protection of sensitive French technology, and lobbying by the Indian government, which operates many French-built aircraft. France wanted the PAF to purchase several Mirage 2000-9 fighters from the United Arab Emirates Air Force, which would overlap with the upgraded JF-17. In July 2010, the PAF's Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Rao Kumar Suleiman, said these reports were false. He said, "I have had discussions with French government officials who have assured me that this is not the position of their government." Suleiman also speculated that someone was trying to cause mischief, to put pressure on France not to supply the avionics we want. On the 18th of December 2013, production of Block 2 JF-17s began at PAC's camera facility. These aircraft have air-to-air refueling capability, improved avionics, enhanced load-carrying capacity, data link, and electronic warfare capabilities. Block 2 construction activity is planned to run until 2016, after which engine is in mind, but declined to discuss specifics. A pilot Flight Global spoke with, however, says the Road 93 is working well in Pakistan Air Force Cervix. While the majority of the Block 3 upgrades can be retrofitted to existing Block 2 aircraft, the updated intake will only be available on the new build Block IIIs. A good number of Pakistan's JF-17 fleet has air-to-air refueling probes. While this equipment can be retrofitted, the Air Force does not see a requirement to do so for the entire fleet. Flight International's 2019 World Air Forces Directory indicates that the